Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this setup is totally different, but some of you may or may not know, but I do my own nails, and I thought maybe I can bring nail videos to you guys and stuff. So I'll start with this nail haul, which is a bunch of stuff that I got maybe from eBay, Aliexpress, just a few stores. So we'll just get into that. So some of this stuff I've already used, but I'm still going to show you. So the first thing first is this nail drill that I had got off of eBay. Also, it came with these bands, these sanding bands, and also it had a row of these up here. And then I also bought 6 packs in each size of the sanding bands, which they're somewhere else, I can't find them. So going along with my drill, I did buy these drill bits, which is a total of 7. Here. This is to clean the drill bits. I'm actually going to end up buying more, but I just started out with these. Next, I got this container from Michaels, which it holds, what are these, 5? Yeah, 5, 30. Sorry, guys. So what I'm going to use these for are to display my glitter mixes, the ones that I make myself. I'm going to place them inside of here. That way they're secure, not moving around, and all that jazz. So the next storage thing I got was these 2 containers, which holds, well, they have 28 compartments on them. I'm going to use these for my crystals. Starting out, I'm going to use these for my crystals. Probably end up advancing to other storage methods, but this is what I'm going to start out with. Also from Michaels, I got this 12-piece glitter set. I'm going to try to open it so you guys can see. So these are what they look like. You have the iridescent, hollow, and gold hexes. You have the same in the Mylars. These are stars, and this is very, very fine glitter. I did pick up these confetti, iridescent confetti flakes from Michaels as well. I believe this was not expensive at all. I did use them in this set just a little bit. I don't know if you can see in this nail. I did pick up a pack of nail forms. I'm looking for better ones, so if you guys have suggestions, please leave them down below. I did end up picking up some acrylics from Mia's Secret, so I'll go through those. These 4 are their cover colors. So we have Cover Beige, Cover Pink, Cover Rose, and Cover Nude Blush. And I did pick up one of their kits. This is the Aladdin powder collection. They're 1/4 ounce jars, and these are the colors. Now I did use this color, which is called Turquoise Palace, in this set that I have on right now, so you guys can see. I also received a bunch of glitters, so I'll go through them. We have these. Last but not least, I picked up a whole bunch of gems, which I'll go through. This is their transparent AB crystals. I did get these, sorry guys, I got these all off of Aliexpress. These are super gorgeous. I did use these on this nail set, but I realized these will probably work better on a clear base, like a clear or lighter base, than this dark color. So I'm not gonna go through and name the colors. I'm just gonna show you them all. that is the end of this video. As I get more nail supplies in, I'll try to make more videos for you guys, and also I'll try to bring nail tutorials to my channel as well.